Have you ever wondered about the exotic varieties of bananas that exist in the world? From the red Dhaka bananas of Australia to the petite ladyfinger bananas of Central America, there's a whole world of bananas out there beyond the familiar Cavendish. Each variety boasts its unique taste, color, and size. Some are sweet, others tangy. Some are yellow, others red or even blue. And their sizes can range from tiny to large. Exploring these exotic bananas can be a fun and rewarding gardening adventure. So, how does one go about growing these exotic banana varieties? Well, it's a question with an interesting answer. First and foremost, the climate is key. Bananas thrive in a tropical or subtropical environment, so if you're living in those regions, you're in luck. However, don't lose heart if you're not. Many gardeners have successfully grown bananas indoors or in greenhouses. Now, let's get down to the soil requirements. Bananas prefer well-draining, slightly acidic soil. Regular composting and mulching will keep the soil nutrient-rich and moist, just the way bananas like it. Care is another crucial aspect. Regular watering, careful pruning, and protection from strong winds will ensure your banana plant stays healthy. Let's talk about varieties. The red banana, with its lovely pinkish hue, is a fantastic choice for home gardens. If space is a constraint, the dwarf banana might be just what you need. With a little patience and care, you too can grow these exotic treasures in your own backyard. Imagine biting into your very own homegrown exotic banana. Picture tasting the unique flavors that you've nurtured with care. The satisfaction of savoring these unique varieties simply multiplies knowing you've grown them yourself. Growing exotic bananas can be a delightful addition to your garden and your diet. Enjoyed learning about exotic bananas? This channel is your gateway to a world of gardening wonders, ripe with informative and engaging content. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening adventures. Happy gardening!